I know. I believe they went out that way. So hold on.
No, I didn't know that lady read that.
Everybody went to the OG party.
Okay, go. Move, get the fuck out of the way, my girl.
Hurry up, girl. I didn't know what lady
We gotta go over there. So.
Where's Leah?
Hey, wife, over here, please.
No, the security is trying to stop them because they were fighting back.
They're walking over the car right now. Sorry. That's not gonna
How do we do that too?
We're outside. I'm not sure how we're outside, but we're outside.
It's a good thing we went to the OG party.
Hey, can we get into the OG party right now?
No, everything's closed, man.
Hey, John. Hey, what's up? Smile, man. Hey, you smile, dude. Smile. Get your camera too. Fucking asshole.